Hi, welcome to What is School of Languages. In this lesson, we shall have a look at school, your school. Parler de son école. Talk about your school. So let's have a look at the objectives. By the end of the lesson, the people will be able to identify stationery. Good. Les fournitures scolaires, stationery. Les fournitures scolaires. Let's learn some vocabulary about the names of the school stationery. Les fournitures scolaires, school stationery. Le bureau ou le pupitre. Le tableau. La craie. Chalk. La brosse. Chalk eraser. Le cartable, school bag. Le sac à dos, backpack. Le livre, book. Le cahier, exercise book. Let's go over and learn them again. Les fournitures scolaires, stationery. Les fournitures scolaires. Le bureau ou le pupitre. Le tableau. La craie. La brosse. Le cartable. Le sac à dos. Le livre. Le cahier. All right. You can try this several times on your own so that you can identify your things in French. Pratique. Study the following images and write the correct word below it. Choose from the options listed below. I am going to display the images and quickly we find the names and name them. Let's have a list of names here. Are you ready? Let's go. Le livre. The first one, le livre. Le cartable. Le cartable. Le cahier. Le cahier. Les fournitures scolaires. Les fournitures scolaires. La brosse. La brosse. Le bureau. Le bureau. Le sac à dos. Le sac à dos. La craie. La craie. Le tableau. We are going over and read the words one more time. Le livre. Le cartable. Le cahier. Les fournitures scolaires. La brosse. Le bureau. Le sac à dos. La craie. Et le tableau. Let's continue. La feuille de papier, sheet of paper. Le classeur, ring binder. Le bloc-notes, notepad. La chemise ou la pochette, folder. Le stylo, pen. L'encre, ink. Le crayon, pencil. Le taille-crayon, pencil sharpener. La gomme, eraser or rubber. Let's read the words again. La feuille de papier. Can you repeat? La feuille de papier. Le classeur. Le bloc-notes. La chemise. La pochette. Le stylo. L'encre. Le crayon. Le taille-crayon. La gomme. All right. Let's have another activity. As usual, you study the following images and write the correct words below it. Choose from the option listed below. These are the options listed. So you choose the correct one to fill the space. The eraser is what? La gomme. La gomme. Le stylo. Le crayon. Le bloc-notes. La chemise. L'encre. Le classeur. Le taille-crayon. La feuille de papier. Let's read them again. La gomme. Le stylo. Le crayon. Le bloc-notes. La chemise. L'encre. Le classeur. Le taille-crayon. La feuille de papier. That's great. Let's continue. Les crayons de couleur. Colored pencils. Les crayons de couleur. Le marqueur. Marker. Le marqueur. Le surligneur. Highlighter. Le surligneur. Le pinceau. Paintbrush. Le pinceau. La peinture. Paint. La peinture. La règle. Ruler. La règle. L'équerre. Square. L'équerre. Le rapporteur. Protractor. Le rapporteur. Protractor. Le compas. Pair of compasses. Le compas. Let's read the words again. Les crayons de couleur. Le marqueur. Le surligneur. Le pinceau. La peinture. La règle. L'équerre. Le rapporteur. Le compas. All right, let's go on activity. Study the following images and write the correct word below it. Choose from the options listed below. The first one is la règle. La règle. L'équerre. L'équerre. Le marqueur. Le marqueur. Le compas. Le compas. Le rapporteur. Le rapporteur. La peinture. La peinture. Les crayons de couleur. That's colored pencil. Les crayons de couleur. Le pinceau. Le pinceau. Le surligneur. Le surligneur. Let's read the words again. La règle. L'équerre. Le marqueur. Le compas. Le rapporteur. La peinture. Les crayons de couleur. Le pinceau. Le surligneur. Great. Let's go. La colle. Glue. La colle. Les ciseaux. Scissors. Les ciseaux. La calculatrice. Calculator. La calculatrice. La trousse. Pencil case. La trousse. Le globe terrestre. Le globe terrestre. Globe. Les casiers. Lockers. Les casiers. L'école. L'école. School. La salle de classe. La salle de classe. Classroom. L'enseignant ou le professeur. Classroom teacher. L'enseignant ou le professeur. If it is female, we say l'enseignante. You just add E to the T to form the feminine gender. L'enseignante. Le professeur. For the professor, it remains like this. Let's read the words again. La colle. Les ciseaux. Let's read them 2 times. La colle. Again. La colle. Les ciseaux. Repeat. Les ciseaux. La calculatrice. La calculatrice. La trousse. La trousse. Le globe terrestre. Le globe terrestre. Les casiers. Les casiers. L'école. L'école. La salle de classe. La salle de classe. L'enseignant. L'enseignant. Le professeur. Le professeur. Remember I said l'enseignant, this one is masculine gender. But when it is feminine gender, you add E to the T and you read l'enseignante. In that case, the T sounds. Let's continue. L'élève ou l'étudiant. L'élève ou l'étudiant. Pupil or student. L'étudiant is the same like l'enseignante. If étudiant is a female, you say l'étudiante, you add E. All right, let's continue. Les cours, that is classes. Les cours. La leçon, lesson. La leçon. Les devoirs, homework. Les devoirs. So when you say you have un devoir, it's homework. Le diplôme, diploma. Le diplôme or degree, le diplôme. Diploma and degree, they are called diplôme in French. Let's have devoir de maison, that is homework, devoir de maison. We are going to treat the devoir de maison based on the lesson that we just studied. Quickly, study the following images and write the correct word below it. Choose from the options listed below. I'm displaying the images. Since it is homework, I'm giving you a few minutes to do it and we'll come back. I'm watching. I can see everyone wherever you find yourself. So make sure you don't open your book. Don't go back your book. Just take your book, go to the page and do it. Or if you are not watching the video as well, you can go down the page of the video and put the words there and submit. You get your answer. Yes. Okay. Let's quickly have a look at the correct answers. Are you ready? Can you start? All right. L'enseignante. Remember I said that when the teacher is a female, you say enseignante. L'enseignante. Le diplôme. L'élève. That's people. Le globe terrestre. Les ciseaux. Why do you say ciseaux? Because there are two. La leçon. L'école. And la salle de classe, the classroom. Let's read the words one more time. L'enseignante, can you repeat after me? L'enseignante. Le diplôme. Le diplôme. L'élève. L'élève. Le globe terrestre. Le globe terrestre. Les ciseaux. Les ciseaux. La leçon. La leçon. L'école. L'école. La salle de classe. La salle de classe. All right. This is the end of the lesson. You can still go back to the videos, the previous one, this one, and watch. Or if you have an issue with the understanding of what I just taught you, go below the page. There's a space for you to ask questions. You send your question and you submit. Within 24 hours, we are going to respond positively. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. As we are departing, you know, what do we say? Au revoir or à la prochaine. Bye-bye.